Hello guys and welcome back to another Hunter's Prestige fitment video. On today's video we're going to show you how to fit our new generation exhaust cover. Now just before we get into this video, it's good to mention that these are not compatible with our older generation exhaust tips. We're still currently working on a compatible version for the North American Spec with a tow hitch. Okay, tools required for today's installation. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a 10mm spanner, a ratchet with a Phillips bit and also a T4 Allen bit. Okay, first job is to actually flex the bracket in the middle of the exhaust cover, just enough to allow you to put the Allen bit just behind that. And that will be apparent to the reason why we do this shortly. Okay, so these are the screws you need to remove first. So you have one here, one tucked under here, and then also one on the end just here. The first thing we want to do is just remove all three of those screws. So the first two, you can use a Phillips screwdriver, and you just want to put that middle bracket in first. Now it is keen to note this is the first one to actually remove. That'll allow you to get behind that bracket and just tighten the nut. So put the 10mm spanner on one side and then the Allen T4 on the other, and then just tighten them up. And then you'll see, obviously you lose space when you start tightening up these other screws. So you want to tighten up one from this end, and then tighten up the one on the other side as well. It's nice and easy. And also if you do have an exhaust shield and also a deployable tow bar, it's just keen to note you want to fit this exhaust shield behind the back of that deployable tow bar. So there you go guys, that is how you fit our new generation exhaust cover. If you have any questions, drop in the comment section below or get in contact with us at sales@huntersprestige.com. See you on the next video.